Howdy folks, Trent 4x4works, Motorplex.com. You're probably wondering why I'm taking a video of a van, and the shorter answer is we're gonna lift this van. I said it, we're gonna lift this van. Lift wheels and tires on a van. We are gonna build the ultimate action dream machine. On the outside anyways. I don't know if we're gonna do anything to the inside, but we're gonna boss this sucker up. Lift on a van. E250 Ford. It's got like nearly 22,000 miles on it. It's gonna be awesome. Take a look at that wheel. It's gonna go away. See that ground clearance? It's gonna go up. Lift on a van, 4x4works.com. Hang out and see what it looks like. Okay, van's in the shop for tear down. Here is our lift. It's a 6-inch lift. It's gonna be an I-beam and radius arm replacement kit with springs and shocks, blocks for the rear. It's a Weld-Tech kit with Skyjacker springs and Fox shocks. So we're gonna replace the springs. We're gonna replace the I-beams and the radius arms and slap blocks in the rear and put wheels and tires on it. It's gonna be sick. Hold on, we're gonna go and take a look and see what the wheels and tires look like. Okay, here's the wheel and tire package that's gonna go on the van. We have ion wheels, looks like 181's gonna be super awesome. And some Terra Hunter XTs. Terra Hunters, that's a new one. It's got a pretty good tread pattern on it though. We'll see how she turns out. Wheels and tires mounted up and looking good. We are about to start on the rear now. The front is just about finished. We've got our new radius arms in. Very nice. New I-beams on. Very, very nice. New springs on. Look at that drop. I'm gonna turn it. Probably shouldn't have turned the camera that way because you can't turn, but it's looking real good. That's the moral of the story. Guys, there are some times in a man's life where he gets a little emotional and feels like everything is just coming together in life and like everything is right in the world, and I feel like this is it. I feel like this is that time. Ford E250 van with a 6-inch lift. Look at how badass this thing came out. Spring, radius arm, I-beam replacement kit, Fox shocks. We got 17-inch Ion 181 wheels, 33 12.5 17 Terra Hunter all-terrain tires. This van is built to get it done. We put an aftermarket spare tire carrier, relocated that bad boy up to the back for clearance, ground clearance, and additional badassery. And I feel like I'm just getting choked up right now. Guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. It's Trent with 4x4works.com, Motorplex.com. Give us a shout, 469-424-0028. Ask for me, ask for Ricky, ask for Mike. We'd love to help you out to build a badass van or whatever you got.